Google Cloud is currently the third largest cloud provider behind Amazon Web Services, that is AWS, and Microsoft Azure. Acquiring Wiz would significantly enhance Google Cloud's security offerings, making it more competitive in attracting businesses that prioritize robust cloud security. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. Wiz is a fast growing company with a strong reputation for its cloud security solutions. This acquisition would bring Google instant access to Wiz's expertise and technology, potentially propelling Google Cloud security capabilities forward. Wiz is known for its innovative approach to cloud security, offering solutions that can detect and prevent threats across various cloud environments. Acquiring Wiz would bolster Google's security capabilities, providing a competitive edge in the cloud market. As cloud security is a top priority for businesses, and having robust solutions can be a significant differentiator. In a move expected to bolster its cloud security portfolio, Alphabet, Google's parent company, is in discussions to acquire cybersecurity startup Wiz for a hefty $23 billion. If finalized, the acquisition would be the company's largest to date, significantly overshadowing its 2022 acquisition of Mandiant for $5.4 billion and the 2011 acquisition of Motorola for $12.5 billion. This highlights the tech giant's commitment to improving its cloud security infrastructure. Wiz's technology would be integrated with Google Cloud's existing services to provide a more comprehensive security solution. This integration can enhance the overall value proposition for Google Cloud customers, making it a more attractive option compared to competitors. As cloud adoption grows, so does the needs for advanced security measures. By investing in a leading cloud security company, Google is aligning itself with industry trends and addressing the increasing demand for secure cloud services. Moving forward, the $23 billion investment reflects Google's commitment to long term growth in the cloud sector. By acquiring a prominent player like Wiz, Google aims to strengthen its position and drive strategic growth in cloud services. Let's look into today's headlines. New Copilot Plus AI PC lineup for XPS and Inspiron models announced by Dell Technologies. The XPS 13 and Inspiron 14 Plus, the new consumer Copilot Plus AI PCs from Dell Technologies, are now officially available in India. Both devices introduce the new Qualcomm Snapdragon CPUs, which elevate AI experiences. The Inspiron 14 Plus has a Snapdragon X Plus X1P 6400 CPU at its core, whereas the XPS 13 has a Snapdragon X1 Elite X1E 8000 CPU. These devices provide consumers with the most hassle-free search, create, and work experience possible because of their all-day battery life. Namayatri parent secures $11 million in financing from Google, Antler, and Bloom Ventures. The parent company of Namayatri and Yatri Sathi, Moving Tech Innovations Limited, has raised $11 million, that is rupees 92 crore, in a pre-Series A fundraising round. Bloom Ventures and Antler led the round with participations from Google and a number of additional investors. In order to empower drivers, integrate public transportation, and improve the customer experience, Moving Tech intends to invest the cash in technology, R&D, and product innovation. Byju's facing bankruptcy proceedings after failing to pay BCCI. Since Byju's failed to pay the Cricket Authority BCCI rupees 158.9 crore, the EdTech company would be placed under insolvency. The National Company Law Tribunal Bengaluru bench suspended the company's board of directors and froze its assets, in addition to approving bankruptcy proceedings against the company and appointing an interim resolution specialist. Flash Attention 3 enables H100 GPU power for LLMs. Colfax Research, Meta, Nvidia, Princeton University, Georgia Tech, and Together AI researchers have unveiled Flash Attention 3, an innovative method that dramatically accelerates attention processing on Nvidia Hopper GPUs, that is H100 and H800. enhancing the performance and efficiency of LLM training and inference. Flash Attention 3 further optimizes the usage of resources on NVIDIA Hopper GPUs, building upon earlier work on Flash Attention and Flash Attention 2. Kaspersky exits US due to a ban on selling Russian software. Following the Joe Biden administration's restriction on the sales and distribution of its software, Russian antivirus company Kaspersky is leaving the United States. Kaspersky announced that it will start to wind down operations on July 20th of 2024, citing no longer viable business opportunities in the country. The ban stops Kaspersky from upgrading or selling its products in the US, citing threats to US infrastructure. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.